Abacus. Things you'll need: a piece of cardboard, scissors, a craft knife, a ruler, toothpicks, a variety of beads, and a pencil. First, make 2 photo frames of the same size and cut out the middle. Make sure the toothpick can fit inside with a little bit less space so that you could stick them inside just like this. Then you can cut off the edges and make it any shape you want and glue both of the cardboards together. Paper squishie. Things you'll need: paper, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, and tape. You can draw anything you want, but I drew a chip bag, and then I cut it out and started putting tape on the colored side and making sure that the tape was overlapped. Don't cut off the excess tape. Now this is the back side, and I'm folding over the extra tape and trimming it. Then I took the front and folded over the tape onto the back to form a little pocket. Then I filled it with stuffed toy filling, but you can also use cotton or a plastic bag. Then I taped it shut. And then I took a needle and poked some holes. Mesh marble. Things you'll need: tape, a plastic sheet, scissors, cardstock or paper, and a bead or a marble. First, cut out the plastic sheet to fit the bead/marble. Then tape it into a tube. I rolled it over like this, and I cut up the other side and put tape to make it flat. Then I took the bead and put it inside and taped closed the edges. Then I took some cardstock and stapled it to the edge for a decorative feel. I took a needle and made a small hole for air to escape and taped the cardstock so that it wouldn't be sharp. Bead tangle. Things you'll need: a bread tie, beads, and scissors. First, take a single bead and lock it into place using the bread tie. Then put on the rest of your beads. And at the end, like how you did in the front, lock the end of the bead. Pop it. Things you'll need: paper, cardboard, scissors, a compass, and a pencil. First, take your compass and draw 2 circles. I made a cow print design, but you can make any design. Then put tape over them. Make sure the tape is overlapping. Then cut them out. Make a smaller circle inside. Then overlap it with tape again. And cut the area between the small circle and the big circle. And put a line to the middle so that you can fold it and make a cone. Don't make the cone too deep. Then take the tape roll or any circle object and make a 8 design and make 2 of them just like this. Then take some hot glue or any glue and glue them on.